Hi friends, True Nature Childcare here. I'm going to show you the really cool mouse house that I just built, and you can build one too with whatever you find in your backyard. Here we go. It's way down in there. There's the mouse house. I started with a pile of sticks. I just put them in the ground and leaned them up against each other. And then I found this clump of moss, and I thought that would be a nice carpet for inside. And then I found this little plum seed that was broken in half, and I thought, oh, those would be nice eating dishes for the little peoples inside. And then I found this rock has kind of a bowl shape inside of it, and I thought, oh, if the rain falls, then that will catch water and they can come outside and have a drink. And then I found lots of little rocks, so I made them a little patio. And then I found some bark peeling off of a log, so I used some of the bark and found lots of bugs while I was doing that. And this flower on top. And then I found a brick with a lot of moss growing on it. And I just peeled the moss up like this. I thought I'd use that to make it a little more rainproof on top. And there you have it. There is my mouse house, or tiny people house. And if you have toys at home, little people toys or animal toys, you can play with them in there however you like now. It can be really, really fun. If your yard doesn't have all this stuff, there's always something that you can use. Even bunches of grass twisted up together can do amazing things. Or I was thinking it would be fun to try, if you had a lot of rocks around, you could stack them and build a whole stone house that way, a little stone house for your tiny peoples. So I hope you get to try this at home. As usual, do post pictures so I can see what you do. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Alrighty, see you tomorrow.